Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Joe Andrews. He's a candidate for the council position in the town of Orangeville. Thank you very much for being here today,
Thank
Joe.
you, Bradley.
So today I want to talk about an issue that's been plaguing council in a way where they keep bringing up old issues, concerns that maybe they had made decisions on in the past. What is your stance on that, and what would qualify as something that might be something you would revisit?
Wow, that's again another very important question for people to think about, and will have, I think, somewhat of a determining factor on those who get elected. Old wounds are definitely very difficult to forget, but with the new council, it will be imperative to forge ahead with current and emerging issues. We cannot retroactively turn back the hands of time, such was the issue with the OPS and the OPP. My view is that we collectively must move ahead with the key priorities of now and those to come. Let's turn a new page with the new Orangeville Council to work together for the people of this community.
Thank you very much, Joe. I really appreciate your time. And if you'd like to see some more answers from Joe, don't hesitate to take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.